एक बार पहले लेग लेंथ चेक कर लेते हैं आपका। नहीं ऐसे रहो, जस्ट रिलैक्स योरसेल्फ, लूज। यस गुड। एंकल कौन सा बॉदर करता है आपको? राइट वाला ना?
पिछली बार से तो राइट वाला नहीं कर रहा, लेफ्ट वाले में इशू आ रहा है। उसको बुरा लग गया कि राइट कर रहा है, लेफ्ट।
चलो, बैक पेन है अभी? जस्ट रिलैक्स योरसेल्फ, लूज लूज। हाँ, ग्रेट। लूज, थोड़ा सा लूज छोड़ेंगे। हम्म हम्म, वो लूज रखेंगे बिल्कुल। ओके, लूज, ब्रीद इन, ब्रीद आउट। हाँ, यप, डाउन, ऊपर नहीं उठाने, डाउन रखना। ब्रीद इन, अगेन ब्रीद इन, ब्रीद आउट। लूज, थोड़ा सा लूज छोड़ेंगे। लूज, जस्ट रिलैक्स, लूज। यस, लूज रखेंगे। रिलैक्स रखेंगे बिल्कुल। लूज, 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 थोड़ा सा लूज। बिल्कुल, थोड़ा सा लूज। Kushagar is our regular patient, and on and off because he goes to the gym. So he injured himself, or one after the other issues comes with him. So he has been coming from a very long time to get settled down his issues, and we have done chiropractic adjustment for his neck, back, ankle, shoulder. So it's like, I mean, you are feeling better now.
Yeah, definitely. I always feel better when I come to his clinic. I am actually a dancer as well, so that ways I have problems with my ankle, in my neck, and every time I have a small kink, even I come to doctor and he just fixes me up pretty good. I'm good to go.
What sort of dance?
I do break dance, so that's like
Oh,
kind of like all joint movements are there. So
yes.
yeah, I really need this guy. He's
So
brilliant. He's a
you
brilliant.
need a very flexible and free
Yes,
joints,
yes, yes. True.
So this was a news for me that you are a break dancer also. I just thought you are a fitness freak and you do a lot of exercises, and that's how you had enjoyed yourself.
It's because of dance as well.
Sure. Thank you very
Anyways,
much,
thank you,
coach.
doctor.
Thank you. Thank you very
Thank you
much.
so much.
So thank you, viewers. If you have any spinal issue or any joint problem, if you have, you can write down in our comment box. We'll get back to you. Please do subscribe our channel and please press the bell button so then you can get all the notification. Please, viewers, please share our videos and please like our video. Thank you very much. Thank you.